Hello there, it's Teresa Morrison here, coming to you today from Northern Ireland, or as we call it, Northern Ireland. And our weather's horrible at the minute, but I can't complain. I shouldn't complain because lots of parts of the world have it much harder than we do. Even over at the bottom of England, they've had floods and we've been quite dry over here, so it's just how fickle the weather is. Today's topic is about tracking, the importance of tracking and analysing the data that you get from your tracking. Now, the reason why tracking is so important is that you need to know what's working in your business. If you just go to safe lists or traffic exchanges or even Facebook groups or maybe solo ads, whatever you're using to promote and advertise your business, you need to be thinking, how will I know that this is working? How will I know that all the effort I'm putting into this, and sometimes the money it's costing you to pay for it, how will you know that it's actually worth it? So the tracking is important for that reason, because then you'll know what's working, do more of it. If it's not working, ditch it. It's a simple strategy, but if you don't have a way to collect that data, then you won't get very confused very fast. Tracking is usually done by the use of software, and there are various types of software out there. There's one I personally like because it's very good. It tells you whether or not it can tell you lots of data about your clicks. If you're doing a solo ad and you want to know, I've got a 200 click package. Did I get 200 clicks? It'll tell you you got 225 clicks. That's quite good. But it'll also tell you where those clicks have come from. And it will tell you if some of them are unique clicks and if some of them aren't. You're looking for the unique clicks because the other ones could be robots. You want a reliable solo ads vendor because you want to be able to keep an eye and see it's working and you're not being fleeced. You'll not go back to that solo ad vendor if you're being fleeced. Quite simple. So, just to say, there's software out there. There's also free things you can use. Like sometimes I use Bitly, bit.ly, and all you have to do in there is put in the long link, and then it'll come up with a little short one, bit.ly/, and it'll usually be a number and about 4 random letters. But if you delete that on the screen and type in anything you want, and then try to get that saved, I have one running at the minute, and basically what is typed in on the end is shoestring budget success. 3 words. It can be as long as you want, but you want it to relate to the thing you're promoting. It needs to relate to the capture page mostly, because if someone's going to click on that and they go and something else pops up and it's like, this is how you get free leads, and thinking, hang on a wee minute, that's got nothing to do with the shoestring budget success. It has to be congruent. It has to relate to it. So, but you can have some fun with that. What happens is you type in what you would like and you click save. Sometimes it'll pop up at the top of the screen. There's been a problem where there's an error. That basically means that someone else has already been there before you and set that up, that exact same one. So all you have to do is go back and type in something else. Maybe add another part to your explanation of what it's going to be, or add a number in somewhere. And then eventually you'll find one and it'll say that link has been edited. That means it's successful. You can use that one. You just copy it and then you can put that anywhere you want to. And it means you can go back then to the Bitly dashboard and it'll show you, as I say, this one's totally free. It'll show you, it'll give you a graph and it'll show you per day and you can click on the day, the block for that day, and then it'll further break it down into which link was the most popular one that got clicked. So the way to be very methodical about it is to have different links that you've created, different links for the different places where you post them. So you could be doing a link on solo emails, or you could be doing a different link then on Hercules Traffic Exchange, or on Listjo, or other ones. There's so many out there. You can change. You can just add something else to the link. That's all you need to do. I mean, for Listjo, you could just add LJ, and then maybe 05 if it's May, 06 if it's the one you're using in June. You can be get really down to the nitty gritties and be specific, because that data is really important. So that's a little bit about the why and the how of tracking, and an example of using Bitly for your tracking. So if you got some value from this little video today, please like the page. I'm going to put it on Facebook, YouTube, and then you can subscribe there and you'll get notified of new videos. And tomorrow's Saturday, so tomorrow's topic is going to be a little bit lighter than today. But tomorrow's topic is: a setback is just a set up for success. So a bit of motivation. So I hope you have a good weekend. If you are celebrating Father's Day on on Sunday, I am going to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. And that's all for now.